While your bonus code is loading, why don't I tell you what your $100 coupon can get you? It can get you on your way to higher salon profits or even a new fun business of your own. Teeth whitening is a multi-billion-dollar industry with massive demand that's growing every day. You only have to see how many ads there are on TV for products to know what a huge industry it is. Our teeth whitening starter system gives you a complete done-for-you ready-to-go profitable business. All you need to do is get the word out on social media with our client pulling ads and start taking bookings. You don't need any qualifications or experience. We have got you covered. You have absolutely nothing to lose and big profits to gain. You could be getting a return on your investment straight away. It only takes a handful of clients and you have paid for your entire system. I am sure even with your friends and family you know enough people to start making a profit even before you advertise. Our business kits are the easiest, best way to get into the industry. Your system will come with everything you need. You'll get comprehensive training, top quality equipment and products, awesome marketing material, and our company's full support. We can even help you create your own brand and put your logo on the products, so you can grow your business faster. Your clients will love the results and come back bringing their friends. Our system achieves the absolute maximum result possible. Not even a dentist can get a better result. We have a range of starter systems available to suit your needs and budget. With 6 months interest-free finance available. There just isn't any reason not to get started today. Get in touch, don't let the opportunity go by, to put your $100 bonus into something great.